I'm Matt Fote, CEO of Emerging. We see an opportunity with this fund as the future of the industry is really dependent on the merging of restaurant technology with early stage concepts in the hospitality space. This whole company was built on supporting CEOs and founders.
Restaurateurs need to become more like software companies. And I think that's why I believe that this fund is uniquely positioned with its mandate to invest in both restaurant tech and the future restaurant hospitality concepts. That's the way it needs to be. And so I think this fund has a competitive advantage in this mandate and bringing in these entrepreneurs to help both of these group of young entrepreneurs.
They have such an amazing roster of people that can help operators and founders and CEOs of companies that come along with the capital. And as someone who's raised a lot of money from venture capital groups, I can tell you that that additional value and the people that come with it end up being 10 times more valuable than the cash that goes in the bank account.
So to figure out who can innovate in this industry, and we can find and identify the best in class and invest in them, and then help others find them and escalate their growth curve or simplify their problems for them. I think that's part of it.
You got the right people sitting around the table to determine pretty quickly whether or not that tech that's being presented is, has a place in our industry, both on the technical side as well as just the application side of it. We always try to make it a little bit better, though, So, and that's kind of where a lot of that tech comes in. It's just if you can figure out how to get those incremental sales, that's where a lot of extra dollars live.
I think a large institutional investor would be smart to look at the Emerging Fund for a couple reasons. One is we are food service entrepreneurs. We've built companies from the ground up, and we still are, running and managing and building companies. I don't think they are going to see that very often from your typical large private equity funds. Secondly, we're food service experts. The food service industry is projected to grow well over 10% for many years to come. So putting some of their money to work in the food service space, especially with a technology angle, is a very good use of their funds. Thirdly, we're going to have the most robust pipeline. We are ingrained in this industry. We're talking to everybody. We see everybody. Every technology company or restaurant company ends up getting connected to one of our companies in one way, shape, or form. And with this fund, we're going to have a vehicle to not just partner with them, but to actually invest in them.
It's being able to tell somebody, I know what's over the next hill. I've been there, I've done it, and here's what's going to happen.